Hi, I'm John Kennedy with Lutron Electronics, and today we are going to discuss adjusting the high-end trim with the Maestro Sensor LED Plus dimmer. The high-end trim allows you to set the highest achievable light levels on the dimmer. The default is set to the highest level. To adjust the high-end trim, first enter Advanced Feature Mode by pulling out the front accessible service switch. This will turn off your lights. Next, press and hold the tap switch and push in the service switch while continuing to hold for 5 seconds until the LED on the dimmer starts blinking. Then release. Use the raise button to move the blinking indicator light all the way up to the top and hit the tap switch once to enter advanced programming mode. Then use the raise button to move the blinking LED to select the top option for high-end trim adjustment. Once this is blinking, hit the tap switch once to enter this feature. Press the raise or lower buttons to move the indicator light to the desired level. To save your setting, simply press the tap switch. This will save the level and take you back out to the Advanced Features main menu. To exit Advanced Programming Mode, press and hold the tap button until the indicator lights stop blinking.